It's me again, the money goddess, Lamiel from Lamiel.com. And today, the credit secret that I'm going to reveal to you is about bankruptcies. So most people really believe that you cannot get rid of a bankruptcy off of your credit report, and that is a complete and utter falsehood. Bankruptcies come off like any other derogatory, that is incorrectly reported, obsolete, misleading, incomplete, or that cannot be verified. Okay, you have to understand that the nature of an item um, has nothing to do with its removal under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, right? So, what does that really mean to you? It means that it doesn't matter what type of item this is, a bankruptcy, a judgment, slow payment, a charge off, whatever it is, the type of item that it is has nothing to do with the fact that it can be removed from your credit report based on the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Okay, so everything, absolutely everything can be removed from your credit report. Don't be fooled. Don't, and I'm going to tell you another secret. You can do that yourself, even with a bankruptcy. It can be removed by you. Okay, you don't need a credit agent. You don't need LexisNexis. You don't need a big company. Now, some of us would prefer to have someone help us with that process, and that's okay. But understand that you also don't need to be paying thousands and thousands of dollars to a company to get these things removed. Okay, you need to find someone that is a credit agent that is very transparent. If you want to get help and have it removed and you don't want to do it yourself, then you want to work with an agent that is very transparent, okay? That's not going to charge you thousands and thousands of dollars. I do not recommend that you pay thousands of dollars to get your credit repaired. It's just not necessary. Okay, you want someone who is ethical, someone you can trust, someone you can get on the phone. Someone who, if you can't get them on the phone, they respond to your emails or your website messages within 24 hours. Um, but you can get everything removed. You yourself or a reputable credit agent will get everything removed from your credit report. All hope is not lost. I will see you tomorrow.